Nifty Gateway is one of the leading NFT platforms that allow users to buy, sell, and showcase digital art and other NFT collectibles. It's known for hosting exclusive drops from renowned artists, celebrities, and even major brands. The platform is unique in that it offers both cryptocurrency and traditional payment options, making it accessible to a wide range of users. To start using Nifty Gateway, simply create an account on the site and connect your wallet. From there, you can explore the various collections available and participate in upcoming drops. The interface is user-friendly, with a clean layout that makes browsing for NFTs easy. You can view NFT artworks, learn more about their details, and place bids in various price ranges. Nifty Gateway allows users to participate in drops, where exclusive digital art is released for a limited time. These drops can be highly competitive, with pieces often selling out within minutes, so you'll need to act fast if you want to snag a rare item. The platform also features a robust marketplace for reselling your NFTs. After purchasing an NFT, you can easily list it for resale, set your price, and wait for buyers to make offers. When it comes to payments, Nifty Gateway supports both cryptocurrency, Ethereum, and fiat currencies, USD. This makes it convenient for both crypto enthusiasts and traditional users to get started in the NFT space. The platform also offers a feature called Open Editions, where you can buy NFTs in unlimited quantities for a fixed period. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the standout features of Nifty Gateway is its focus on curated content. The platform works with top-tier artists and brands, ensuring that the NFTs available are of high quality and value. They also provide tools for users to discover new artists and rare collectibles, making it a great place to stay ahead of trends in the NFT world. ASA Marketplace. Nifty Gateway places a strong emphasis on security and trust. It uses two-factor authentication and has a transparent approach to its transactions, providing a safe environment for both buyers and sellers. Additionally, it offers various tools for managing your NFT portfolio, such as tracking your collection and viewing transaction history. Nifty Gateway's mobile app allows you to access the marketplace on the go, providing full functionality, from browsing listings to making purchases. Whether you're at home or out, you can stay connected to the world of NFTs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth reviews and NFT guides. Give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.